First, I dragged the imported, I got this error saying the importer reported a generic error. If this happens to you, try playing the same video in VLC. In my case, the video had a green and purple tint with blocky artifacts. But when I played the exact same video on my phone, it worked perfectly. So the video file wasn't corrupted. The issue was actually with my PC decoding the video. Now open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and check which graphics card you're using. In my case, I have an old NVIDIA GT7N1 which doesn't properly support modern 4K epic videos. If your CPU has integrated graphics, you can also try disabling your dedicated GPU and using the integrated graphics instead. Next, download Media Info. It's completely free. Install it, then drag your video into the program. This lets you check details like the video format and codec. My video was recorded in APV H.265, which Premiere Pro 2022 can sometimes struggle with, especially when paired with older graphics hardware. To fix the problem, download Handbrake. It's also free. After installing it, open Handbrake and drag in your video. Choose the very fast 260p 4K preset. Then go to the Video tab and change the video encoder to H.264x264. Set the frame rate to same as source, enable constant frame rate, and set the quality RF to around 1820. A lower RF value gives you better quality. Also check the Dimensions tab. Now click Start Encode and wait for it to finish. It usually takes around 10 minutes depending on your PC. Once the conversion is complete, play the new video. As you can see, the green and purple artifacts are gone and the video plays normally. Now for the moment of truth, drag the converted video into Premiere Pro, and as you can see, it imports successfully without any errors. So if you're getting the importer reported a generic error message with 4K APV videos, converting the video to H.264 using Handbrake is a quick and effective fix. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.